Hello. Today what I want to do is do some fishing. And I come out here armed with 30 feet of 40-pound test braided fishing line and the Wayne Russell signature card. Also, I found this beaver chewed piece of wood. I'm going to make myself a caster and see if I can catch some fish. I apologize for the roar of the falls. I'm sure a lot of people is going to actually enjoy that. So I'm going to leave that in here. Now, this here I've cut like that. Now I'm just going to take off the sharp edge on this just to round it a little bit. Like that. That's going to allow my line just to come off nice and easily and won't hinder my casting. I've got a caster now. All I've got to do is wrap my line. Now I've got that all loaded pretty much right there. Now all I've got to do is tie on my lure and my hook. Very early in the season. It just iced out just a couple weeks ago, so apparently there's no fish in this area. These smaller streams, usually they'll bite the first, second cast. I actually hooked that tree and that was over the top. It fell in by the falls and I lost the hook, so I had to tie on another hook. But I'm off to another spot to try it, see if I can catch some fish there. I'll tell you though, last season I was using this same type of setup, a caster like this, the hooks and the lure from Wayne Russell signature card, and caught a lot of fish. You can check out videos. So off to another spot. All we caught was a small minnow right now. That's all that's biting in here. But just goes to show, you can catch small ones, you can catch big ones. So out of my wallet and belt carry, I was able to make this caster and catch a fish. Only a small fish, but if you can catch a small fish, you can catch a big fish. I really like the option of being able to carry a fishing kit in my wallet, because I can just be driving down the highway, see a spot, it's like, I'm gonna go check that out. As long as I can find bait, then I'm good to go. Very cool. And I've done that a few times there last year. I like this option, and I'm going to leave a link down below where you can check out the Wayne Russell signature card. And also, I'll leave some links where you can check out other videos I have done on that card. I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and all the best.